In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete folders from media storage in DaVinci Resolve 20 the right way. This is a really useful fix if your media storage panel is getting crowded, if you want to remove old drive locations, or if you simply want to clean up the file browser inside Resolve without deleting anything from your actual computer. That's an important point, because in most cases, you are not deleting the real folder from your hard drive. You're just removing it from view inside DaVinci Resolve. So before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like, and make sure you subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips, editing tutorials, and workflow shortcuts. Alright, let's jump in. First, open DaVinci Resolve 20 and click the Media tab at the bottom of the interface. This takes you into the Media page, which is the main area for file management, disk browsing, and clip organization before you ever start editing on the timeline. If you've never spent much time here, this is where Resolve lets you connect with your drives and browse through folders that contain your footage, audio, and project assets. Now look to the top left corner of the screen and find the Media Storage browser. This panel works like a direct file explorer built into Resolve. It shows the physical hard drives and directory structures connected to your workstation, and it's one of the first places you'll use when importing media. If your list is starting to feel messy, or you see folders you no longer need, this is where you can begin cleaning things up. If the folder you want to remove is pinned in the media storage list, right-click that specific folder. A context menu will appear with different options for managing how DaVinci Resolve interacts with your local and networked file systems. From that menu, choose Remove Folder from Favorites if the folder is being shown as a favorite. This is the safest quick cleanup option because it does not delete the folder from your drive at all. It only unpins it from the quick access area in the media storage browser. If you want to go a step further and completely disconnect a storage location from Resolve, you'll need to open Preferences. Click DaVinci Resolve in the top left corner of the screen, then select Preferences. This is where the software keeps its system-level storage settings, including the media storage paths it's allowed to use. Inside Preferences, click the System tab at the top, then choose Media Storage from the left sidebar. Here you'll see the list of root directories that DaVinci Resolve 20 can read from and write to. These are the storage locations Resolve uses for things like gallery stills, cache, and media browsing. If a folder is listed here, Resolve can access it. If you remove it here, it will no longer appear as an available storage path inside the media storage browser. Now click the directory path that you want to disconnect from the software. Once it's highlighted, the management buttons at the bottom of the media storage list become available. After that, click Remove. This tells DaVinci Resolve 20 to ignore that folder tree completely. In other words, it stops showing up in the media storage browser across your projects, which is great if you're trying to declutter Resolve or prevent it from scanning locations you no longer use. After removing the folder path, click Save at the bottom of the Preferences window. This step matters because Resolve may need to update its internal database links to match the new storage setup. If you close the window too quickly without saving, the change might not stick properly. If the folder still appears in the browser after saving, just restart DaVinci Resolve 20. A restart forces the interface to refresh and helps Resolve recognize the updated list of authorized storage locations. This is usually the final step that makes everything update correctly. So just to recap, if you only want to unpin a folder, use Remove Folder from Favorites. If you want to fully disconnect a storage location from DaVinci Resolve, go into Preferences, open System, select Media Storage, remove the path, save your changes, and restart if needed. That's the clean and safe way to delete folders from media storage in DaVinci Resolve 20. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.